Hi students, how are you all? I hope that you have undergone a different experiences following the online class videos and the study materials during this pandemic condition. Children, we could not have the normal classes in this year. Okay, but you are going to write your second semester examination. So I want to help you explaining certain important things from the important chapters which are coming for the second semester examination through this video. Children, you need to study chapter 6, 7 and 9 for the geography examination. So what are we discussing mainly in all these three lessons is that all about North America and South America, two important continents. Children, we are mainly discussing in chapter 6 about the political division of North America. Then chapter 7 all about physical features of North America. And then chapter 9 we are discussing both physical and political division of South America. Then what do you mean by political division? Political division means mainly we discuss about the latitudinal and longitudinal extension. Then we discuss about the important oceans and the land masses surrounding these continents. Then we also discuss about important countries and capitals and all. So these are all comes under the political division. Now, latitudinal and longitudinal extension. What do you know about latitudinal and longitudinal extension? Explaining that I have made a video. Okay, if you do not know, you can go to the description box given below of this video and you can follow and understand what is latitudinal and longitudinal extension. Okay, so we have discussed all these in both the chapter of political division of both North America and South America. Then we discuss about physical features in chapter 7. No, mainly we are discussing about physical features of North America. So when we discuss about physical features of North America, what are mainly comes, we are mainly discussing mountain, plains, plateaus and all. So when we discuss about mountains of North America, you know that Western Cordillera. So with the help of the video, I have explained very clearly about Western Cordillera of North America. That link also is given below. Okay. So Western Cordillera means it is a chain of mountain. Which are the chain of mountain? Mainly Alaska mountain. From the north, it is Alaska mountain is there. Then comes Rocky Mountain. You know children, Rocky Mountains are the largest, highest mountain range in this Western Cordillera. Then Sierra Nevada is there, coastal ranges are. So these are all chain of mountains you can find in the western part of North America. So this is known as Western Cordillera. Then again when we discuss about the mountains of South America, mainly we comes under Andes mountain. So mountains of South America are also known as Western Cordillera. Why? Because these are the chain of mountain which are lying in the western part of South America. So South America, these mountain ranges are known as Andes mountain ranges. And you know children, Andes mountain ranges are the second largest mountain ranges in the world. Then you will ask a question, which is the highest mountain range in the world? You know, highest mountain ranges are the Himalayan mountain ranges which are lying in the northern part of India. Then, which is the highest mountain peak, is the highest peak in this Western Cordillera of North America, that is Mount McKinley. Mount McKinley is lying in the Alaska range. If you have about doubt about peak and ranges different, that is also I am explaining in my video. You can go through that. Again, when we discuss about the mountains, which are the other important, which number of plateaus are lying in the Western Cordillera of North America. Then when we discuss about Andes, you know, Atacama Desert is lying in the middle of what is the Andes mountain. Atacama Desert is the driest region in the world. Okay, so that is the driest desert. Okay, there is no rainfall take place due to several geographical reasons. No rainfall. So that is why Atacama Desert is the driest region in the world. Then when we discuss about the physical feature, you know, mountains are over. Then when we here in the Western Cordillera of North America, when we discuss western coastal strips are also there. But we are not discussing in detail of western coastal strip of North America because that is very narrower. You will not find much physical feature there since those coastal strips are very narrow. Okay. But when we discuss about the coastal strip of South America, that is much broader compared to North America. So important physical features are there, like archipelago. Archipelago is lying in the western coastal strip of South America. You can locate archipelago. It is lying in the south of South America. That is, archipelago are the group of mountains, okay, which are lying in the Pacific Ocean. Okay, these are all about the important points. Like, again, you can go through the lesson in both North America and South America physical features, so you come to know what are the difference between the mountain ranges found in North America and South America. Then when we discuss about mountain range, important mountain ranges like Alaska and Rocky Mountains are lying in North America. Then here Andes, that is important mountain range lying in the South America. Then another important physical feature is that of North America is the Eastern Highlands. So this Eastern Highland of North America is also known as Appalachian Mountain. Now, what about the Eastern Highlands of South America? You know, this Eastern Highlands of South America are known as Brazilian Highlands and Guyana Highlands. Guyana Highlands, Guyana Highlands are lying in the north of this South America, and just below of Guyana Highlands there lies Brazilian Highland. So when we discuss about highlands, Eastern Highlands are coming in both North America and South America, but in North America, Eastern Highlands are known as Appalachian Mountain. Then in South America, Eastern Highlands are Guyana Highlands and Brazilian Highlands. Then comes the plains. Plains comes in the middle of both the continents. The plains in the, what is that? Great Plains. In the North America, it is known as Great Plains. Okay. So, Pampas, mainly, not Pampas, prairies. The grasslands of North America, they are known as prairie. Then when we discuss about the plains of South America, these plains of South America consist of mainly three important river basins. Which are those three important river basins? Amazon River Basin. In the first comes in the north of this plain, there lies Orinoco River Basin. Below Orinoco River Basin, Amazon River Basin is there. Then at the bottom, there lies La Plata River Basin. So the plains of South America consist of three major river systems: Orinoco, Amazon, and La Plata. Okay, Orinoco means the river Orinoco and its tributaries together makes Orinoco River Basin. River Basin means what is that? The plain means all the rivers, they settle down their sediments in the plain, lower region, so that there forms fertile plains. Okay, so these Orinoco River Basin is also known as Llanos. They are also called as Llanos. And then Amazon River Basin, which is formed by River Amazon. River Amazon is the second longest river in the world, which is longest river in the world, that is Nile. That. So after Nile, that is in Africa. After Nile, which is the longest river, Amazon. Okay, Amazon is the second longest river, and this river and its tributaries together makes Amazon River Basin. Then in the south of Amazon River Basin, there is La Plata. La Plata means it is formed by three important rivers: Parana, Uruguay, and Paraguay. These are the three rivers which makes the river basin of La Plata River Basin. So we are discussing all about these three important river basin of South America. These three important river basin makes the Great Plains or Central Plains of South America. So we have discussed about almost all the physical features, but we have not discussed about Canadian Shield. Canadian Shield is lying in South America. In the many years back, it was fully covered by ice, and later on these ice started moving. The moving ices are called glaciers. Then these glaciers formed depressions on the ground. Depression means great ditches on the ground. Later on, these depressions were filled with water to form the lakes. So we study about 5 important lakes of Canadian Shield. They are called Great Lakes. That is also I am explaining in my video about Great Lakes. Okay, 5 important lakes are known as Great Lakes of South America. These are the industrial region because of the facilities of transportation and power and sources and all. So Great Lakes are there. Okay. So these are all about the physical features of both North America and South America. Which are the 4 important physical features of North America? They are Western Cordillera, Eastern Highland, that is Appalachian Mountain, Great Plains, and Canadian Shield. Then when we discuss about South America, which are the physical features? Western Coastal Strip. Coastal strip is broader, that is why we discuss about Western Coastal Strip. Mainly you have to remember Atacama Desert and all lying in this Western Coastal Strip. Then Western Cordillera, that means Andes Mountain. Then Eastern Highlands. Eastern Highlands comprising of Guyana Highlands and Brazilian Highlands. Together we call Eastern Highlands of South America. Then Great Plains. So we have discussed 4 physical features of North America and also 4 physical features of South America. Okay, so these are all the important points we are discussing in this 2 chapter. Now page wise, moving on to the each pages, I will just focus on that, which are the points and which are the topic you need to by heart. Clear? Children, this is a political map of North America given in your textbook. Looking at this political map of North America, you can locate which are the important countries and their capital, etc. Then you can also see that which are the important oceans surrounding this North America. Here you see in the western part, here Pacific Ocean is there, here this side, and there in the east, which ocean is there? Atlantic Ocean. So accordingly, then Caribbean Sea you can follow from here. You can, so that accordingly means you can understand that which are the water bodies surrounding a continent and which are the landmass coming closer to this continent. This you can Greenland here. So like that, all these we can understand from political map of a continent. So here the political map of North America. Now let's see another map. This is here, the features are very clear given. You can see that Canada, United States, Mexico, then all other important countries and their capital are marked here. And the Greenland is also very clear. Now let us move to the political map of South America. Here what you can observe, you children, all the important countries, all the 13 countries and their capitals are very clearly visible in this map. Then you can also see that which are the important oceans surrounding, like you see Pacific Ocean is here in the western part, then Atlantic Ocean in the eastern part, isn't it? Then so which are the, so all these important water bodies you can find from here. Then these countries and their capital and all, with the help of political map we can understand. So this is another map with more clarity. Here you see you can count all the countries, 13 countries and capital from this map. You can also understand that which are the latitudes passing through these continent, like, understood. So here you see equator is there, this is equator passing through, then Tropic of Capricorn is passing through this continent. So all these you can make out with the help of a political map of South America. Then let us go for a physical map. You can see here physical map of North America. Let us look into the physical map of North America. When you go for looking into the physical map, you can see here, you see this is the physical map of North America given in your textbook. You see physical map of North America. Here you can see in your textbook, if you look at the map, you can see the Western Cordillera. You see here this part, this portion is completely of Western Cordillera. Then eastern part here, Appalachian Mountains are there. Then Great Lakes are there. Then Great Plains. Great Plain, you see, this is the Great Plain, this region. Is it clear? These are the 4 important physical features of North America. So this map is clear, more clear. This map is, you see, here you see the Western Cordillera. Yes, Western Cordillera means chain of mountain. Which are the chain of mountain? Alaska Range, Coastal Range, Sierra Nevada. So all these. Okay, so this is also another range. So comprising all these ranges together, there forms Western Cordillera. Okay, then Great Plains in the middle. This Great Plains, you see prairies. Let us locate prairies also. See Canadian Shield. This is 4 important physical features. Yeah, this is another physical map of North America. Here features are much more clear. If you look at, you can understand all the important features in this. You see Canadian Shield is more clear, and then you see all the 5 important lakes. These are called 5 Great Lakes which are lying in Canadian Shield. Then Great Plains, here in the middle you can see here Great Plains. Then you can understand that Rocky Mountain is the highest mountain range. Then Alaska range. You can also see Mount McKinley. So you see all the other important mountain ranges. Clear? Now prairies, you see prairies are lying in the Great Plains. You can see here, but here it is not marked. So let us see from this map, you see where the prairies. The Great Plains itself known as prairies. You see that these prairies are known as the wheat basket of the world, because a huge quantity of wheat is being produced in this region, this grassland, which are in the known as Great Plains of North America. So this is a location of prairie. So it is clear that all the physical features from this. Then political features of South America also we discussed. Then let us look into physical features of South America. When you go for physical features of South America, children, you can understand. You see, this is the physical map of South America given in your textbook. From this you can understand Andes Mountain in the place of Western Cordillera, Rocky Mountain and all in the North America. Here it lies, instead of that here lies Andes Mountain, okay, in the western part. Then the eastern part, Brazilian Highlands and Guiana Highlands. You see Guiana Highlands also in the eastern part. So together we call these two together known as Eastern Highlands of South America. Then comes, you see, Great Plains, Central Plains. Central Plain, in the place of North America also there was Great Plains or Central Plain, you remember. So that grassland was called prairies. But the grassland of South America are known as pampas. Grasslands of South America are known as pampas. Then these Great Plains are mainly formed out of 3 river systems. Amazon River Basin, then Orinoco. Orinoco is here, not so visible here. Orinoco River Basin, then La Plata. La Plata is starting from this region, La Plata. Okay. So 3 important river basin. Amazon. So this is, here is the Orinoco. Orinoco River Basin, Orinoco from here, Amazon and La Plata region. So the central plain is mainly made out of these 3 river basin. Then northern part of La Plata is known as Gran Chaco. You can see here Gran Chaco region. Okay. Then which are the other important, yes, coastal strip is there. You can see here western coastal strip from here. Here you see this region, this margin is known as western coastal strip. So these are the archipelago lying in the Pacific Ocean. Clear? Which are the 4 important physical features of South America? Western coastal strip, that I will mark with, once again let me mark. Yeah, western coastal strip. This is the western coastal strip. Then Andes Mountain or Western Mountain. Then comes Great Plains. Great Plains in the middle. All these regions, Orinoco River Basin. It begins with the Orinoco River Basin, Amazon River Basin. Then this region in the south, La Plata. So together we can call all these regions as Great Plains. Then this region, the grassland of this region are known as pampas. These are the pampas. Okay. At the same time, grassland of North America is known as prairies. That you have to remember. Then, yes, after that we discuss Eastern Highland. That is Brazilian Highlands and Guiana Highlands comes under the Eastern Highland. So all the 4 physical features are over. Eastern coastal strip. What is that? Western Cordillera or Andes Mountain, Great Plains and Eastern Cordillera. Clear? These are the 4 important physical features. Children, now in the next video, I'll be discussing all the important points in page wise of all the 3 chapters. So for more details, you can follow that video.